Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Greenlam Industries. Greenlam is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And here each candle represents 1 month, and this is the historical price chart. And these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for this stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price pattern of the stock, after after July 2015 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. This is new high 1, new high 2, and again, after the consolidation phase, the stock started moving in the upward direction, extending its rising trend and continuing its historical price path pattern. So the path pattern of the stock is like making a new high, consolidation, making a new high, consolidation, and again going to make a new high. That's very good. It's very simple, very transparent, smooth, and predictable. So and it is a rising trend. Okay, so many points are there here, and the stock right now has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. Relative strength of the stock is already peaking up, and it is making a nice slope on top of the 80 line, and even the slope line is also rising. Okay, that is a very good signal for a rising stock. And directional strength is rising again. If you see, both the positive and negative directional lines are diverging here, creating huge space between them, which is directly proportional to the directional strength of the stock. And stochastics right now is in a positive trend, is in sync with the rising trend of the stock. So the fast line is on top of the slow line, and both lines are playing nearby the 80 line, which is very good. And if you look at the momentum is peaking up. I'm keeping the crosshairs here so that you can clearly see the angle of the tip of the momentum curve right now. Okay, yeah, it is moving in the upward direction, and it is playing on the top of the baseline. It's good, and it's moving the rise. Yeah, the slope is rising. I mean, the tip of the momentum is rising, and it is looking in the upward direction. Very good. Price volume change, yeah, and the last few months, yeah, from July onwards, we are not seeing that much rise, but no spikes. Yeah, in the volume. But if you look at the balance of power and elder ray, both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase. Very good. And Kobe curve is clearly telling us that the stock is in buy zone, and but it is making a parallel line to the baseline, we need this curve to be move up a little bit. Then definitely the momentum will increase. So now for Greenlam, if you look at the technical indicators, the guiding points for technical indicators, all the guiding indicators are throwing us positive signals at the moment. On top of that, very much fascinated, very much impressed with the path pattern of the stock, which is continuously rising, and and even right now it is extending its rising. Rising its trend, rising its trend, in which in turn is rising the price of the stock. Okay, now just see, we want to see the potential of the stock. Actually, in January, okay, in 2017, how much the stock has given to its investors profit. Okay, in January 2017, the stock was trading at 595, and today it is trading at 1000, guys. So nearly 400 rupees benefit per share it has given to its investors so far. So people who had already invested in the stock in January 2017 might have benefited 400 rupees per share. Okay, so far, and I think this is the right time to invest. I mean, to consider the stock for investment with respect to long term. And this is the conclusion for this stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.